Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your friend Hunter Singh, and you're watching the Karbi reaction videos channel. If you are new in this channel, I welcome you and I invite you to like this video and subscribe this channel to be a part of this Karbi reaction videos family. And if you are my subscriber, I thank you for supporting this channel to grow and watching all my videos. And I hope you are fine and will supporting to grow this channel. Thank you so much. Hey, I am going to react the video is this from the KANGTHUI creation. And in KANGTHUI creation there are many beautiful videos. And when I saw this video, I became a big fan of the KANGTHUI creation. I subscribed to the channel and I hope you will also subscribe to my channel since because this Karbi reaction videos is a new channel and I hope you will help me to grow this channel. And so that I can make another reaction video for my subscribers and for my followers. So now without wasting our time, let us come to our topic watching this Karbi funny video from KANGTHUI.
Nega chini dun kela Karbi ang long development pan 1500 crores atang kanang PG pu lanto na luko.
Ai jubuhu cepat lu dun rino ho nang ning che thi dun ri ho la hai tangka long dun itong tim kok mana. La hai tangka ke la di pupe la dongka muka ma dak si pangjar del potika. Ba tu bon ki bang kering bi. Asia tu mon apan telah hengtia rum long tu mon situ rong si mitmun nak mel ho. Ba tu mon kang sam ke bang nining sam dop lun.
Ơi Trang Gia, nei hong nang ra lo baka.
Ing hong nang lo sedang kang hong bang bor beku tu mon kang sam bang tu mareng meti.
La lu tikko heng pia rum tu mon si du mit chat ho. Ne ke la helok kai tar ni bang na dak bang wer tilu.
Kok jubuhu ni tanong ke bang wer pokok. La dak le anar lo ke cetong nang di.
Pakal ti, pakal. Oi Trang Gia, kuson loko apa tu mi malom? Karbi ang long hala peace accord buka cetok ke kuson loko aju dun long makona.
Dhai kat lah je thaling tung tene. Kinang dengji hor mungina pipi le.
Ne ta lan chini dun te ko Trang Gia. Bang ko pipi dong iklim lo ne. Ne ka chini dun ke la Karbi ang long development pan 1500 crores atang kanang PG pu lanco na luko.
Ai jubuhu cepat lu dun rino ho nang ning che thi dun ri ho la hai tangka long dun itong tim kok mana. La hai tangka ke la di pupe la dongka muka ma dak si pangjar del potika.
La lu tikka ar leng ke the tum ke la di pupen dong ka na le ko thek long lo. La pu chin thong tang ho ham re vô that lang so la hơi ke thek long le la hai tum ki.
La lu tikko jubuhu la lu. La tawara li ke thelong mati kon nang ta. Hulik kar nuk tu ke ingnar pibrang mati ko.
La lu ti ho motor gari le chon nam ta ve vek rup vek rai tharun rup tharun rai sai de lo tawara hirtan o ma.
La lu tikko jubuhu la si bang hirjir ta ke du ilo mati ko.
Hirjir ta du pe ko arjulong le pina ko le ke to nang par thato.
Ai ko ang se thang hirjir na ajudulong le lang ma to nang par ko. Dongka pen hamre na da tawar le nang kabara gari nam jita nam na tawar beng ko KANGTHUI.
Original video you can go to KANGTHUI creation channel, and if you are new in that channel you can subscribe and link will be given in the description. You can click the link and go and watch the original video in KANGTHUI creations video. And before watching this video, I would like to say briefly regarding this video. Recently that happened in Karbi Anglong. It's about the peace accord between the government of India and the governments of Assam for the peace of Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council. This video is in the process of making and you will be able to see in this channel its reactions video. And you can comment about this video. Are you waiting for this video to watch this channel? I will be bringing for you as soon as when they release this video in their official channel. And it's very funny, and now this video has gone viral and also it's on trending and many people are watching this video. So I also bring in my subscribers so that you can also watch these videos in this my Karbi reactions video channel, and keep supporting all my viewers and my subscribers that I will be bringing new video from all my subscribed channel. so that you can also see in this in this channel new Karbi videos and Karbi finance and all the Karbi movies from this my channel. So please keep supporting me so that I will be happy to make a video and bring many video for you. And it's not for me, I made a video, I'm bringing a video, but it is for you, my subscribers and my viewers or my friends that are watching this video. And I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this channel so that everyone in Karbi Anglongs will come to know about this Karbi reactions video. You want an only channel in Karbi Anglong, and it is very first that all the video, new video you will be able to see in this Karbi